My name is Dave, and I'd like to introduce new SP2000, our new flagship. And what is the big difference between this SP2000 and the former flagship SP1000? The first big difference is before SP1000 we had balance, unbalance, and there is a switch inside mode. So there's a switch when we had the audio circuit, but SP2000 there is no switch inside. We 100% divided the audio circuit, balance and unbalance. So from this new audio circuit design, we improved the sound, at the same time we improved the output power. So easily you can see, before SP1000 there is a 4-pin, which means there we had the separate, amplifier. But when you see the SP2000, which means there is no 4 pins, which means we are not going to make the new amplifier for this. This is exactly enough by itself, because the 6 volt power the balance is 6 volt power, and it's enough to run any most of the high-end headphones at the market. Another big difference is we increased the internal memories from 512 gigabyte. This one internal memory have the 512 gigabyte, and at the same time there is one more micro SD slot. So if you put 500 gigabyte, almost you can get 1 terabyte whole, you can use memories. So the Wi-Fi function is a little bit improved compared to before. And except these hardware changes, we have the design change compared to SP1000. SP1000, if you see, there is a carbon back side like that, but SP2000 is all metal. It's a whole stainless steel here. So there is some big design change. And also, same thing is SP2000 also have two materials, copper and then the stainless steel. So I'll introduce a new SP1000 amplifier amp. So as you see, there is 3 amplifier. So stainless steel and black and copper. And front side is stainless steel color, but all of them have the black color back side. This one is perfectly fit to the SP1000. And then the maximum, when it's high gain, the max power is the 10 volts. So it's much higher than before, and it can run most of the high-end headphones. So there is something changed from before. This is now screw thing. As you see, when I connect, there is a link like that. So it's like some cameras by finger, and if you push up, this is close. If you put it down, this is open, and it's perfectly fit with the player. And when you purchase this amplifier, we're providing the free cases. So this black case is perfectly fit to the whole system. So this is perfectly fit, and this case has a mesh here. So this one helps to reduce the heat from the amplifier. Let me introduce the Kern Cube. This is our second model from Kern lineup. So Kern Cube is, as you see, it looks much bigger than before, and there is a big reason, because we put lots of power on it. So when you make the balance output, almost is 12 volt power, which means it can run, I think, most of the big home headphones anywhere. Another big thing is we put the 5-pin XLR here, so you can connect from here directly to your amplifier, And this line is completely separated from these two, unbalanced and balanced audio circuit. So this is more line out things, but and the output power is 4 volt. We decided to produce can and this much size because we would like to make something very powerful player, very powerful, but the sound wise is more clear and more sound stage. And also we would like to use this one as a source player for on your hi-fi system. I would like to introduce new AKT9iE headphones. So this is the T9iE, but what is the big difference from the former model T8iE is first when you see the design wise is Astell&Kern, we designed this headphone. So when you see the design, this metal lines, there is angles. So design wise is whole changed. But at the same time, we tuned the sound, so it has more bass compared to the T8iE, and there is a vent hole under here, so it improves the sound a bit more. And the backside there is a mesh. We changed this mesh materials, so it also helps to improve the sound. So another big difference is when you see the cable is totally changed compared to before, and this cable is exactly same cable we use the AKT5P second generation. This is the same cable. Why? When we choose this cable when we make this headphone, we tested lots of different headphone cable materials, and we found this is exactly the best match for this Tesla driver. So, which means this Tesla driver in the T9iE is exactly 16 times smaller from the T5P headphones. So that's why we use exactly same cable materials. It really helpful, sound, improve the sound. So and also this one have 2.5 cable based, and there is interconnector from 2.5 to 3.5, and it also provides 7 different type of the ear tips inside. Thank you.